Hi, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to Nillion Incentivized Testnet. Nillion is a Web3 startup aiming to build a non-blockchain decentralized network for securing storage and data computation. Their funding is currently valued at $20 million and this is a zero-cost airdrop that you can farm. Reward is confirmed, so let's get started. For this testnet, we are going to be using Keplr wallet, so we are going to visit change.keplr.app to add Nillion network to Keplr. Now tap on the search box and then type in Nillion. Tap on Add to Keplr. Tap on Approve. Now once this is done, we are going to open up our Keplr wallet itself. Tap on the sidebar menu. Tap on Manage Chain Visibility. Now in the search box, type in Nillion again. Check that box, it has to be in blue color. Then tap on Save. Now you have successfully added Nillion chain to your Keplr wallet. Now let's tap on NIL and then we are going to copy the wallet address. Tap on that copy icon. And now we are going to be visiting Nillion Faucet. So let's go to faucet.testnet.nillion.com. So tap on Start. You can only use the faucet once every 24 hours. Paste your Nillion address that you just copied in Keplr wallet now. Tap on Continue. Complete the captcha. Now tap on Continue. Test token successfully claimed. So what I want to do now is to go back to Keplr and then we are going to make some transaction on Nillion. Tap on New. What we want to do here is to send some NIL to another Nillion address. So tap on Send and then paste another Nillion address here and then indicate amount. Tap on Next and then confirm in your wallet. Now you want to ensure that you repeat this transaction at least 10 times. And if you do not have another Nillion address that you can send some funds to, I'm going to put my address in the comment section so that you can send some funds to my address. I may not have time to send funds back to everybody that sent to me, so you want to make sure that you send a very little amount, okay? Next up, let's head to Zealy and then we are going to complete Zealy tasks. Tap on Join Nillion. There is Nillion Bootcamp Week 1 and Week 2 task. You have to complete the 2 tasks. I'm going to tap on Week 1 so that we can see what is inside. And this is just a social task. Join Twitter, join Discord, join Telegram. So I won't be doing anything about this task in this video. You can simply complete it. Make sure that the 2 tasks, Week 1 and 2, are marked as completed. We can also try to do Nillion staking. So I'm going to open up a new tab now. I'll paste the link to the staking website. Here you simply need to choose from any of the validators on the screen and then delegate some NIL to them. Although I am unable to do that in this video, I'm going to tap on Nodes Group for example. When you tap on a validator, then tap on Delegate to delegate some of your NIL to them. But before you can do anything, you are supposed to first connect your wallet. You can see the wallet icon at the top right, and that was where I was having issue. If I tap on it, normally I am supposed to see prompt to connect wallet, but nothing was happening. So once I'm done with this video, I'll try to do it on PC. So I'll suggest you do the same. Try to access the staking website on PC. Perhaps it will go through. Now the last thing on the item is to claim NillPill, and to do that, you are going to first of all paste your EVM address, and that is MetaMask for example. Paste it here and then tap on Submit. Now on this page, you are going to have to watch 3 videos, and at the end of each video that you watch, you are going to complete quiz. So in order not to waste our time, I'll pause my recorder, and once I'm done watching each video, I will come back, resume my recorder, and then attempt the quiz. So I am back and I'll be answering each of the quizzes now. I'll also have the answers pasted in the comment section for your convenience. Question number 2 is open-ended. You have to type it in your own words. So if you don't know how to answer it, you can make use of ChatGPT. Try not to copy what I am writing on the screen word for word, because this is actually going to be verified manually later. Question 3 answer is C, and question 4 is A. I'll tap on Submit. If you get any of the answers wrong, it is going to give you an error message. So this is video 2. I am going to again pause my recorder. I am done watching video 2, and now I am going to be answering quiz 2. Question number 1 answer is B, then number 2 again is an open question, so you have to answer it in your own words. Number 3 is B and number 4 is C. I'll watch video 3 and then come back once I am done. Answer to question 1 is C, question 2 is C, question 3 you have to answer it in your own words, and then question 4 is B. I am done answering, so I'll tap on Submit. Now for the last time, you have one more question to answer in your own words. Why do you think this mission is right for you, and what will you personally do to help fight? Once you have successfully completed everything, you are going to see this: congratulations on completing the NillPill journey. A code will be generated for you where I marked in red circle here. You are supposed to copy that code and then save it somewhere safe. That code will be useful later. So everybody that completes their NillPill journey, they are going to get an NFT. So probably that code will be used in redeeming the NFT later. But then there is not much information about how to get the NFT for now. So you have to make sure to follow all of their channels: Twitter, Discord, Telegram. Make sure you are everywhere and then stay updated. If you have any question about this testnet tutorial, then do drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. And like I said earlier, you are going to find my Nillion address in the pinned comments, as well as link to every other website that I visited in this video for your convenience. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have found value in any of my content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.